सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओं। Today's Gita class is based on Swami Paramarthanandaji's lectures on Gita. Swamiji from Chennai. He gives Gita in 3 different ways. This is called Gita Moolam, not Gita Bhashyam, Gita Moolam. That is the basics of Gita, which might take quite a long time because we will be dealing with Gita in depth. This is all a study. This is not a discourse. This is a classroom teaching. As we proceed further, you get a knowledge in such a way that you yourself can, give a lecture on Gita. The idea is to give you in-depth knowledge in Gita.
The Arsha Vidya Tarangini is a one-stop trust for Prasthanatraya Grandharajas and various other Vedantic books. It has videos of classroom teaching and charts on Vedanta by eminent gurus. Sri Kasturi Veera Raghav Rao Garu, born in Kakinada and settled in Hyderabad, has sown the seed for the propagation of Advaita Vedanta. As a part of this noble mission, he started teaching Bhagavad Gita in English in 2019. The saga of 18 chapters with 701 slokas went on uninterruptedly for 5.5 years as 1 hourly session per week. Now our member devotee from Daya Satsang presents the experience connecting the two shores, which ends in an overwhelming, heartfelt standing ovation to Guruji Sri Raghav Rao Garu. Please lend your ears to hear the voice of our beloved Renuka.
Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Sabhayai Namaha. On this auspicious occasion of Gita Jayanti, let us celebrate the completion of Bhagavad Gita teaching in English by our respected Guruji Sri Kasturi Veera Raghav Rao Garu. Guruji taught us 701 slokas in 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita that spanned 5.5 years and 205 one-hour sessions with an unwavering commitment to sharing the timeless wisdom of Bhagavad Gita. Guruji embodied the principle of Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalam, excellence in action, from the very first class. With a calm, slow voice, steady pace, and a heart full of compassion, Guruji guided us through each chapter, turning the ancient Sanskrit verses into clear, inspiring English prose. Guruji linked his teaching of Gita to our everyday lives and reshaped our outlook towards body, mind, senses, and our outlook towards society and towards Jagat at large. He taught us our duties and dharmas that we should follow, like doing Panchamaha Yajnas and all. It's an achievement accomplished by Guruji. What makes this achievement even more extraordinary is the consistency maintained. Week after week, rain or shine, he sits in the class on time, ready to deliver the outer and inner meaning of the slokas. That is, he revealed the Krishna Hrudayam, that means what Paramatma wanted to convey to Jivatma. And dear friends, behind every hour of teaching, there were countless hours of preparation, not only for the class, but also for preparing the schedules of the class and schedules of recaps. And here we should remember, he encouraged all of us to do the recaps. He undertook all this labor not for accolades, but out of deep sense of service to community by spreading Vedanta Jnanam, which is not possible for each and everyone. Like Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschid Yatati Siddhaye Yatatamapi Siddhanam Kaschinmam Vetti Tatvataha. He is one out of those thousands and thousands of Siddha Purushas. Now we will have a brief look at few excerpts from Guruji's Bhagavad Gita teaching. First Shatkam of Bhagavad Gita teaches us about Jiva Swarupam, that is Tvampada Visleshana, and second Shatkam deals with Ishvara Swarupam, that is Tatpada Visleshana, and third Shatkam teaches us Jiva Ishvara Aikyam, that is Asipada Visleshana, thereby finally drawing the meaning of Tattvamasi, the Mahavakyam of Chandogya. And another point is, we need not search in the outside world for peace, happiness, and security, as we ourselves are the very source of peace, happiness, and security. And one should transform from animal man to man man, and from man man to God man, that is from Tamoguna to Rajoguna, and from Rajoguna to Satvaguna, and finally become Gunatita. And another point Guruji stressed is, we are all Satchidananda Swarupas all the time. Even at the time you cry or weep also, you are Ananda Swarupam, because your very nature is Anandam. That's why Bhagavan Krishna always tells Arjuna at every point, Ma suchaha, naivam sochitumarhasi, natvam sochitumarhasi. You need not cry, Arjuna. Mokshayishyami ma suchaha, yogakshemam vahamyaham. I will look after your yogam and kshemam. I will give you moksham. Get up, put your efforts, go into the battlefield and do war, thereby stressing the point that free will, that is Purusha Prayatnam, and Ishvara Krupa will go hand in hand to achieve any goal. And another point Guruji stressed is, Bhagavan is there everywhere in this world, in everything and in every being, as Sutre Manigana Iva, like a thread in the chain of gems. And if you understand Jagat properly, it is Brahman. If you misunderstand Brahman, then it is Jagat. And one should follow Karma Yoga, get Chitta Suddhi, and move on to Upasana Yoga, acquire Chitta Ekagrata, Jnana Yogyata Prapti, and then come to Jnana Yogam and do Shravana Manana Nidhidhyasanam, and thereby Moksham. And Uddharet Atmanatmanam, you should strive yourself for Atma Jnanam. And Jnana Devat Kaivalyam, Jnanam alone gives Moksham. And Brahman is not the object, it's the subject, that is you only. So there are so many jewels and gems like this in Guruji's teaching. And Swami Chinmaya called Gita teaching as Gita Jnana Yajnam. Our Guruji performed that yajnam and completed it successfully. So on this occasion, let us thank Bhagavan Shri Krishna for giving us Gita, and Swami Chinmaya, Swami Dayananda, and our Guruji's Guru, Swami Paramarthananda, and Srimati Ramamani Garu, our founder Guru of Daya Satsang, who are all the torch bearers of Gita. Now we add to that list our Guruji, Sri Kasturi Veeraraghav Rao Garu, a beacon of knowledge and a true disciple of Gita. Please give a big round of applause and a standing ovation to Gita and our Guru Garu Sri Kasturi Veeraraghav Rao Garu as thanksgiving. Harihi Om. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschid yatati siddhaye yatataamapi siddhanam kaschinmam vetti tattvataha